So this act is called Gandhari.
Oh, okay.
To start with, we have a deck of cards, a blindfold and a few books. So I am going to take my spectacles off. I am going to take this blindfold out. And in this act, my daughter Sai is going to help me, and this is the blindfold. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am going to open the deck of cards and take all the cards out. I am going to chuck this.
Yeah.
You have any jokers or just discard them? Discarded them?
Yeah.
And you can say stop whenever you think that the cards are fairly mixed up. Okay, there are some cards dropping. Excuse me if any of the card drops. You can see me blindfolded all this while, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can say stop whenever you think that cards are fairly shuffled, they are mixed well. Till then, I am going to keep them mixing.
Stop.
Stopping here. Okay. Now I want Himali to give a random number somewhere between like 10 to 15, and Pooja, you also 10 to 15. Give me any random number.
11.
11.
Pooja? Is Pooja frozen?
Yes.
Okay. Himali, if you can come up with another number, because right now I am in a very focused state, so I don't think that I am going to wait till Pooja comes. So just give me another number
15.
which I can. 15. So
Yeah.
11 and 15 comes to 26. Allow me to take 26, deal 26 cards out from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have dealt 26 cards aside, and now I am going to make two piles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have dealt them in two piles. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to pick up the two top cards, and you have to make a number out of it. Just tell me whether you have any picture card over here so that we can discard and take some other card. Is both are number, right?
Yes.
So we have a lot of books over here. Where is that pile? Here it is. I'll discard this pile now. So we have some books over here. Sai, you can show the books one by one where she can select any one of the book. Be a little gentle and slow so that she can see which book she wants to go with.
Am I to tell Sai by?
You can tell. You can gesture. Yeah, you can gesture Sai and tell her that which book you want. Or we can do one thing. We can just keep all the books over here.
I'm
Sorry.
not going
We
to be
can
that
keep.
obvious. Please.
Okay. So then coordinate between you three and choose any of the book. Have you chosen the book?
I'll choose the first one that you picked up. The first one that you picked.
Okay. Now
Yes.
say, do you remember the page number? Go to that page number and show that page to both of the cameras. What you need to do is to remember the first sentence. First, मतलब जो भी शुरुआत में if there is a title or something, book का title है, story का title, वो छोड़ दो. If there is a picture, just leave it. जो पहला any sentence that is making sense, जो 2-3 words हैं, उनको याद कर लो आप. Can you see it? Can you read it well?
No, actually, it's not in the focus. Pooja, can you read? Yes, I could read a couple of words. Yeah.
And I am going to open my blindfold now. Okay, that was a bit. So, Pooja, you are out for a while. So let me summarize quickly what happened. मैंने blindfold किया. उसके बाद में कार्ड्स को शफल किया. कार्ड्स को शफल करने के बाद में आई आस्क्ड फॉर अ नंबर. हिमाली सेड 11 and then you lost. So on your behalf she said 15, I guess, right?
Yes.
So adding 11 and 15 comes to 26. So I dealt 26 cards and then made 2 piles of that, and then we reached to a number which I don't know yet what number was that. Then we had Harry Potter, we had a book of Nancy Drew, we had a book of Alice in the Wonderland, and a voyage and a brain game and whatnot, out of which you must have chosen one book which I don't know. Then Sai helped you to go to that page which I don't know what number it was, held it in front of the camera and made you read what the sentence was. So you guys please come close to the cameras so that I can see your eyes. Now I want you to imagine an imaginary screen between us and try and project those words on that screen. पूजा, आपने पढ़ा था वो? There were three words, right?
Yes.
I can feel the jungle. That sentence doesn't make any sense itself. Okay, keep looking, please allow me to focus. I need to see your eyes. Now I'm trying to read Himali. The first word is adjective. Visheshan hai, like black, hard, something like that. Okay. The second one, I don't know why, but I am somehow jungle, पेड़, ऐसा कुछ तो मेरी आंखों के सामने आ रहा है. Is that a material?
Yes.
Okay. Now I can see a little bit of furniture.
Oh my god.
Is it a chair?
This is
it chair?
some sort
No.
of story. I don't know what it is.
Is it table? Tables, not one but many tables. Is it long wooden tables?
Oh my god.
My daughter has watched Conjuring today, but this is more scary. Okay.
I know this is creepy. Actually, since we know you, it's not creepy. But if we didn't know you, then oh my god, this would be so freaking creepy. Now you have to tell us. You have to tell us how you did it. Like, what is the whole? I don't know. I don't.
But then I really don't know how you're actually doing it. I mean, trying to see in our eyes and